Ever notice how websites, ads, and even apps somehow know exactly where you are? That's your IP address, basically your online home address, quietly sharing your location with every site you visit. Now, imagine being completely invisible online. That's what a VPN does. It makes you invisible. Today, I'll show you how to set up NordVPN and use it to unlock streaming content from anywhere, and even share files securely between your devices using something called MeshNet. And quick heads up, if you decide to try NordVPN, you can use our affiliate link in the description. It costs you nothing extra, but it helps support the channel and lets us keep creating content like this. So, thank you if you use it. Alright, let's make your online life private again. So first, what does a VPN actually do? Think of your internet connection like driving down a busy highway. Everyone around you can see where you're going. Your internet provider, hackers, even advertisers. They're all watching the traffic. A VPN like NordVPN builds a secure, encrypted tunnel for your data. It hides your real location, masks your IP address, and sends everything through a private server. It's like switching from a clear glass tunnel to a solid armored one. Nobody can peek inside. Whether you're working remotely, traveling, or just tired of ads following you around, NordVPN puts the power back in your hands, giving you full control over your privacy. Setting it up is super simple. Just click the special link below this video that'll take you right to NordVPN's best current offer. You'll see 3 plans: Basic, Plus, and Complete. If you want the best value, go with the Plus plan. It adds features like a password manager, ad blocking, and extra protection. Right now, they have a special deal. 74% off plus 3 months extra. Once you've chosen your plan, enter your email, pick a payment method, and you're good to go. NordVPN has no free trial, but you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. After checkout, confirm your email, set a password, and that's it. Your account's ready. Now let's install the app. Head to your NordVPN dashboard, select your operating system, Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone, and download the setup file. Open it, follow the prompts, and once it's done, NordVPN launches automatically. Go ahead and log in with your new credentials. Click Quick Connect, and NordVPN will instantly find the fastest, most secure server for you. In seconds, your real IP disappears, your traffic's encrypted, and you're browsing in total privacy. You can even change your virtual location with one click. Want to appear in Cancun, Mexico, or Thailand? Just pick that country on the map, and you're there. Perfect for checking local content, prices, or news from anywhere in the world. Before you get too comfortable, though, let's tweak a few settings to keep you protected automatically. Click the gear icon in the corner. Under General, turn on Launch at Startup so NordVPN runs every time you power on your computer. Then head to Auto Connect and enable it when using untrusted networks. That means whenever you join public Wi-Fi, like a coffee shop, airport, or hotel, NordVPN jumps in automatically to secure your connection. You can even add your home Wi-Fi as a trusted network if you don't want it to auto-activate there. And don't skip this one, the kill switch. If your VPN connection ever drops, it blocks your internet until you're safely reconnected. That way, your data never leaks out, even for a second. Now let's turn on threat protection. This is one of my favorite extras. If you're on the Plus plan or higher, open Threat Protection Pro and switch it on. It blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they ever load, so pages open faster and you stay safer. It's like having a built-in antivirus and ad block rolled into one. And yes, NordVPN isn't just about privacy. It's also a streaming unlocker. Platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer show different content depending on your country. If you're traveling and can't access your usual shows, just switch your VPN to your home country, refresh, and you're back in. You can also hop to other regions to explore their catalogs. Maybe check out what's trending in Canada or Australia. It's like having multiple streaming libraries in one account. And don't forget your phone or tablet. They need protection too. Just open nordvpn.com on your device, log in, and tap Downloads. Choose Android or iOS, and it'll take you right to the App Store or Google Play. Install it, open the app, and hit Quick Connect. You'll just need to allow VPN permissions once. After that, NordVPN automatically protects you on both Wi-Fi and mobile data, wherever you go. Now here's a bonus feature that feels straight out of a spy movie, MeshNet. It connects your devices, like your phone, laptop, or desktop, through NordVPN's secure network as if they're on the same Wi-Fi, even if they're miles apart. So you can send files instantly without uploading to the cloud or using a USB stick. Just enable MeshNet on both devices, select the device you want to connect to, and click Send Files. And that's it. Your connection's now private, your data is safe, and your content's unlocked. If you haven't grabbed it yet, you can use the link in the description for NordVPN's best deal. Again, it costs you nothing extra, but it really helps the channel and keeps this kind of content coming. And while you're down there, make sure to sign up for our free newsletter, where we share exclusive privacy tools, security tips, and tech finds. So stay safe, stay private, and enjoy your new digital invisibility. Because from now on, no one's watching.